Today we're touring the Coleman 17B. Let's start with the sleeping space. This model you will easily sleep for or convert the dinette for even more company. With no slides, this trailer sets up in seconds and still provides a spacious interior. There's ample storage with next to bed cupboards and shelving, pass-through outside storage, dinette, and bed storage. You have a bathroom with all the comforts of home and all your kitchen essentials with you, with your fridge, microwave, a beautiful faucet, and a 2-burner LP cooktop. Coleman also gave you every inch of kitchen cupboard storage, top and bottom, and 2 drawers. Enjoy the weather, and don't worry about the breeze with your friction hinge on your exterior door, and let's start your next journey with Coleman 17B.